Hey, I'm Gabriel. Welcome back. I'm going to show you a trick you can use to fool your friends and family. You're going to make a bet with them. They're going to take you up on this bet every time, and you're going to win every time. It's kind of a scam, but it's just in good fun. So you're going to start with a deck of cards, all mixed up. You can shuffle it right in front of your spectator. You can have them shuffle if they prefer. You tell your spectator, I'm going to hand you the deck. So all the cards are in your hands, and I want you to pick any card, free choice from that deck. In fact, I'm going to close my eyes, and you do so. I'm just going to have my hands like this, and after you look at your card, put it face down in this hand, and put the deck face down in that hand. So you have your eyes closed, they pick a card, we'll say this one. They're going to look, and remember what it is. They're going to put it face down in this hand, and the rest of the deck's face down here. With your eyes closed, tell them I'm going to go behind my back and just lose your card somewhere in the deck. This way I can't even see where I'm putting it. And I'll show you just to verify that's not your card on the bottom, right? No? Alright, great. I'm going to go back, give it a cut, losing your card in the deck, keeping my eyes closed. I'm now going to give the deck some thorough shuffles, which is pretty difficult to do with your eyes closed, but hey, I might drop cards everywhere, but that's okay. Just want to make sure your card's lost. So, we'll do that several times. Finally, you open your eyes. I'm going to deal cards face up on the table. And I'm going to try to predict exactly when I'm going to turn over your card, okay? Don't say anything. I'm going to give it a shot. Here I go. Turn cards face up. I'm going to stop right here. I'm willing to bet you $50 or $20, whatever you want. The next card I turn over on this table will be your card. You want to take that bet? They're going to bet you. And you just snap your finger and you take their card and you turn it over on the table. That's it. Works every time. Show you how it's done. You've just got a regular deck of cards all mixed up. You can shuffle them or have the spectator shuffle them. You close your eyes. They have a totally free choice of cards, so nobody knows what it is except the spectator. They look and remember it. Then they put it face down in your hand here and the rest of the deck here, and your eyes are still closed. And you tell them, I'm going to go behind my back and lose your card somewhere in the deck. And when you go behind your back the first time, all you do is you take their card and you flip it face up on the top like that. So then when you bring it back up, and you got to be careful not to expose the face-up card, you bring it up like this and you say, and that's not your card on the bottom, right? And they'll say, right. And now you just squint your eye open a little bit and get a peek at this card, which is their card, so that's how you know it. You say, great, I'm going to give the cards a cut. And as you go behind your back, you're just going to flip their card back over and give it a cut. And then you bring it up. You can leave your eyes closed now or open them while you shuffle it all up. Whatever you're comfortable with. And in this case, you're just remembering their card is the 3 of diamonds. Once you get them all mixed up, you tell them, all right, I'm going to start flipping cards face up and try to predict exactly when I'll turn over your card. And you're going to be looking for when you see that 3 of diamonds. You want them to see it face up on the table. And there it is. So I go about 5 or 6 cards more and I say, I'll bet you any amount of money the next card I turn over on this table is your card. They take the bet, you take their 3, you turn it over, and that is how you fool your friends. Simple, fun, hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, and I'm Gabriel. Until next time, as always, peace out.